Welcome to Ridwage Finance. We are presenting Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100. Yes, absolutely. In the last week, whatever the performance has been shown by both the indices is quite expected one, but it has shown some sort of flat trend over here. So the new predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 30 September till the 5th October. I guess, yeah. I'm sorry. Yes, it is till 5th October. Okay. 28th September we have because today is 28th September and we are releasing this video on today itself. So if you see, the Nasdaq Composite Index has performed quite cool on the last day, that is 18,119, where we have given really means it has not achieved the target nearby in a flat trend even, I guess so. But if you see, Nasdaq 100 has literally touched up to 20,008. So in case of, we have given 20,050, so it has crossed 115. So means 200. Yes, it's a human error in analysis or stat, we can say. We were expected, but probably this week may show downtrend also, who knows. So anyways guys, we will see what the circumstances says. This is just an opinion. We are from India. Dear viewers, predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index Com and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 22nd September 2024 till 28th September 2024. Composite Index Com maximum higher end 18,750 point. We have given a lot of volatility in this week for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100 too. So Nasdaq Composite Index can show some sort of stability around 18,400 point. If it is gone down, it can touch up to 17,750 point. But it is. Let us see what Nasdaq 100 says. The start of Nasdaq 100 is, we were expecting, if it is cross the upper edge or upper trend, it can goes up to 20,250 points above. It can show some sort of stability around 20,050 point. Suppose it is going down, then it can touch up to 90,550 points. So here we go in predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index Com and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from the 30th September 2024 till 5th October 2024, and the Composite Index may perform around maximum higher end 18,750 point. It can show some sort of stability around 18,350 point, and suppose it goes down, it can touch up to 17,750 or 850 around it. So Nasdaq 100 we were expecting around 20,450 maximum upper end, and it can show some sort of stability around 20,000. Sorry, it says 20,450 point, and it can show stability around 20,350 points. Suppose it goes down, it is may touch up to 19,850 points, guys. So anyways, Ridwage Finance, probably this week we may fail or may deliver the perfect exact point to point target achievement. You can see in the description the previous video links, and that's it. Welcome to okay, thank you by Ridvesh Finance. So we will probably we are going to upload the videos from the October onwards, from the 1st October, I guess so, because we will start the initiation with the number 1, change is required. So probably change in US economy, US political ground, US politics influencing the Nasdaq. Yes, we have got one of the question about how that political ground may affect, or how may it socialize, what are the social circumstances may affect the stock market. So yes, absolutely, there will be little bit influences, and but we will do this analysis as a case study, okay, as like 100%, but yes, absolutely, as a case study we will upload it. But yes, it will affect around 50 to 75% on the stock market, and not only us but also other companies may who support one political party, another political party. Okay, anybody wanted to guide us how to do political analysis and what are the key criteria we have to upload it? Let me know from my YouTube audience if they believe or if they are interested to listen from my end. Then let me know. I will do only whatever the socializing one. I mean, this is quite not risky because our geography is different than your geography, and while sitting in India and doing the analysis, it's quite more and more challenging for us because this is our first time to do political analysis. Previously we have done political analysis for Indian, on the last minute we have did it, because in any number if you are putting, then you have to solve the problem, but in that case we have not solving the problem. But if you write one answer is, then absolutely how that one has been grab it from where that you have to do analysis. So that manner we have to do political analysis, and that political analysis absolutely may take a lot of time. Okay, so anyways, let's see what influence, what we can give as a case study to the market, and it will be really becomes perfect, because few people say static lies. I have seen somewhere there are the TED Talk. In that TED Talk, the people are talking about how stat analysis, how they lies. I guess there is a theory or something. No, there is something called that we will reveal it on the 1st of October. Till the time, you can catch our video and share it, comment it, and subscribe it. Have a great day. Happy Sunday in advance. Till the time, enjoy with your family, and let me know in comments what you want, what do you expect. Yes, let me know, do you want we should start crypto blush with any coin? Let me know.